Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Ilan Dynamic Pro EA for MT4, currently available on the MQL5 Marketplace. Starting with the marketplace page, we can see that this expert advisor is priced at 100 US dollars with a 6-month rental option available for 50 US dollars. This is version 2.7 of the EA, and according to the page, it was last updated on July 5th, 2020. Looking through the description, the developer presents Ilan Dynamic Pro as a redesigned version of the well-known Ilan 1.6 Dynamic Expert Advisor. All right. The marketplace information explains that the EA is based on a position averaging algorithm where a series of orders in the same direction can be managed and closed at a common take profit level. One of the main points highlighted by the developer is the dynamic adaptation of key parameters. According to the description, the analytical component was rebuilt from scratch, allowing the EA to adjust important settings based on changing market conditions. The developer also states that this is intended to provide stable operation across different trading instruments without requiring extensive optimization beforehand. As I continue down the page, the EA offers flexibility in how positions are opened. It can analyze market signals and trade in both buy and sell directions, or it can be configured to operate in only one direction if preferred. Another feature discussed here is the automatic lot size calculation. When enabled, the initial position size is calculated automatically. The description also explains that if price moves against an open position, the EA can open an averaging order, and traders have access to parameters that allow customization of this averaging process. For those who prefer more direct control, the EA automatic lot sizing can be disabled entirely. In that case, the EA starts each series using a fixed lot size defined by the trader. Looking at the input parameters, there are a number of controls available, including trading direction selection, chart time frame selection, trading starts and stop times, proportional lot sizing settings, stop loss and take profit coefficients, maximum lot controls, slippage settings, and maximum drawdown limits. The EA also includes a trailing stop feature with configurable activation levels and step sizes. Now let us move over to the historical backtest section. Whenever I review historical testing performance, I like to focus on how the EA behaves over extended periods rather than concentrating solely on the final return figures. Since this EA is built around a position averaging approach, reviewing the completed chart history can provide useful insight into how order series were managed throughout different market environments. From what we have presented here on this page, is basically showing the EA in action, and then here the growth and equity curve looks pretty interesting, steady growth over time. Let's head over to our strategy tester and see how the EA performed over the past 3 months. I'm testing the Ilan Dynamic Pro on Euro USD on the H1 time frame. Looking at the report, I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the EA generated a net profit of $981.29 out of 44 trades. And 44 total trades were taken, and out of that, 32 were profitable, giving us a 72.73% win rate. The largest profit was 230.04. Largest loss was 99.3. Average profit was 47.22. Average loss was 44.16. So that means the average risk to reward ratio is not far from 1:1 because the average profit is just a little bit above the average loss. Now let's go turn on the visuals and let's see how this EA looks like in action. So based on the marketplace description, the EA can dynamically adjust parameters and manage groups of positions toward a common take profit objective. All right. When examining the historical chart activity, it is useful to observe how additional positions were handled within a series, and then how drawdowns developed and how trade management evolved during changing market conditions. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market cycles and volatility conditions. So as for the historical backtest results, it is important to remember that historical testing performance does not guarantee future outcomes. Results can vary significantly depending on lot sizing, risk configuration, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, account conditions, market behavior, and any optimization choices made by the user. So overall, the Ivan the Ilan Dynamic Pro EA offers a flexible averaging based framework. As you can even see the averaging technique at play. As more positions are added, then the TP level is now modified, according to the averaging dynamics. All right. So this EA offers a flexible averaging based framework with dynamic parameter adaptation, automatic and manual lot sizing options, configurable risk controls, and trailing stop functionality, as we have observed here on the backtesting chart, right? So as always, thorough testing and optimization in a demo or testing environment should be completed before considering live trading. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.